Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're going to take a look at an oldie, but hopefully a goodie, the Zombie Tarot. This is, I believe, by the same people who have done the Housewives Tarot, and I'm super excited about it. So $16.95 is the retail price. And I will link everywhere I know where to purchase this should you be interested down in the description box below. I am not sponsored. I am not paid for these reviews. I just want you guys to find what you're looking for and, you know, flip through and have fun. So we're going to take a look at this box first because there's a lot to look at. It's super cute. It's super on point with the theme. And I absolutely am thrilled with it so far. So insight and ammunition for surviving the undead uprising. So I believe this is just going to be super fun. Like with the 78 cards and the instruction booklet, this is giving me Housewives Tarot vibes for sure. And then on this side here, it says, in the event of a zombie attack, get to a secure location, open this box, and consult the Zombie Tarot. This fully functional 78 card deck offers valuable advice on love, life, family, friendship, automatic firearms, premature burials, cannibalistic children, and more. The enclosed instruction book shows how to interpret all 78 cards and provides helpful tips on giving a reading. All right, so let's go ahead and open this up. All right. And it's ammunition. Okay, so it is a box of ammunition and I absolutely am here for it. So this is the booklet and it is adorable. All right, Zombie Tarot, your weapon of choice, conducting a reading. How cute. Breaking it down. All right, here's some spreads. So we have the broken heart, the gravestone, the eyeball, and the severed head. Oh my gosh. And then we have the major arcana. So all the meanings, it looks like there's some keywords and a little phrase about it, paragraph, all in color. Fantastic. Oh, and then we have the advertisements in the back. I love it. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at the cards, shall we? Oh my gosh. So let's remove this guy. Whoop. Okay, so there's the back of it. Cute. It's not too thin. It's not bad. Again, $16.95. So keep that price tag in mind. Not bad at all. All right, so here we go, and I'm moving things. Alrighty, so cute. I'm gonna actually bring you down a little bit. Oh my God, I love these. I enjoy quirky decks. I love anything that has to do with Halloween. I am a Halloween queen. So anything about Halloween, I have to have. I'm not horror, so let's get the distinction. I don't enjoy horror per se. I just love quirky stuff like this. Like this is about as horror as I like to get. But it's absolutely adorable. It's fun. It's quirky. Oh my gosh. The cards feel really good. They don't feel terrible. They are good size. The color on them is fantastic. And they're like little miniature newspaper articles. I love this. Oh my gosh. How fun. I'm just blown away. I love stuff like this. I'm sorry. What a fun death card. Oh my gosh. I'm going to say this a lot. I have a feeling. I know this is kind of an older deck. I think it's like 2012. Do any of you own it? I love this devil card. Do you own it? Do you use it? Is it on your wish list? Do you even know about it? This was one that was on my wish list for a while and I had to have it. I have a couple Halloween decks that I have reviewed on this channel. If you're interested in those, go find them on the playlists. But I highly suggest you check out the Housewives Tarot deck as well. I have that. I'll link that in the description box if I remember. If not, it's on the playlist. These are so much fun. Oh my gosh. Like, there's just a lot to look at one time. So the cups have the little skull with the brain in it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is just fantastic. The imagery is great for the deck as well. It makes sense. I feel like this would be a great beginner deck too, but we'll go through the guidebook and see. But yeah, I feel like you can infer what's going on here just fine. All right, wands, they're bones. Ugh. So it's kind of grotesque, but like in a fun way. I don't know if I've ever been able to say that sentence before, but yeah, grotesque in a fun way. I remember the fad. Okay, so I don't remember if it was zombies. I think it was zombies came first and then vampires took over, because I was a fan of The Walking Dead for like the first 2 seasons. And then vampires kind of took over and had a huge heyday. So then I stopped watching The Walking Dead. I feel like it just got a little too boring for me and monotonous. But let me know if you're a fan. I've heard different things about The Walking Dead. Like, people either really love it and they've like stuck around and, you know, were ride or dies for it. Or people like gave up and was like, that's enough. These are so funny. My gosh. I think my favorite zombie film of all time is, oh gosh, now I can't think of the name. The one where they go to the Winchester for a pint. Oh, why can't I think of the name right now? Is it the Winchester? Shoot. I'll think of it. I'll probably have to think of it after I'm done filming. Like, it'll probably come to me. But that has always been one of my favorites. And I don't know why I can't think of the name. So bad. I can't even think of the actor's name. I'm having a brain moment, a non-working brain moment. These are fantastic, and I'm rambling, and I hope you're enjoying my rambles. But yes, so that would be my favorite zombie movie. I don't really watch a lot of zombie stuff. They're not my favorite out of the monster category, but I do enjoy the craziness of it. And I feel like, you know, it's not impossible for something like this to happen, you know? Just saying, it's not impossible. But this is a fun deck, and I'm quite enjoying the imagery. I'm quite enjoying the quirkiness of it, the fun of it. It doesn't take itself too seriously. The quality of the cardstock is actually growing on me. It's nice. For $16.95, I am not complaining at all one bit. I feel like this is really good. This is fun. but it is one of those decks that you gotta want to be in on the theme. Like, you gotta like the zombie theme. Otherwise, you're probably gonna be a little grossed out. Yeah, they shuffle very nicely. Yeah, I don't hate it. I think if this is something that calls to you, is right up your alley. If you want a fun deck for Halloween, it's not even July yet. It's not even June. And I'm already thinking about Halloween. If you're into this sort of a theme, this is a great deck. I have no complaints, absolutely none whatsoever. I think it's fantastic. And in fact, let's just pull a card here and see 9 of Hazards. So this would be 9 of Pentacles. Let's go ahead and take a look at what the instruction booklet has to say about this guy. 9 of Cups, Wands, Swords, okay. 9 of Hazards. Okay. Prosperity, independence, confidence. Most people heard about the apocalypse and hid underneath their desks, but you didn't flinch. You worked through the catastrophe and actually prospered, excuse me. Nothing breeds confidence like success, and now you find yourself with plenty of both. Business is booming and the future looks bright. I love this. I think it's fun. I think the price is right. I think the quality of the cards is great. It's fun. I've already said a million likes to this, a million things about it. I think it's adorable. If you are into the zombie scene, or if you want like a fun, different deck, this is fantastic. I have no complaints. I love, love, love it. I was thinking this could possibly be like another, like, what do you call it? Gimmick, because, you know, it's themed, but I love it. It's very similar to the Housewives Tarot. Let's see, instructions by Stacey Graham, and the cards are illustrated by Paul Kepple and Ralph Gironi of Headcase Design. Quirk Books, Philadelphia. So I want to make sure I said the names of all of that. But yeah, I love it. I think it's fun. I think it's great. The packaging isn't overwhelming, but it's fun. It's, you know, it's what I would expect from a zombie deck. It's fantastic. It's a great themed, I think it would be a great gift. I've got nothing bad to say about it. I'm super excited to start using it. I think it would be fun, especially using it with the Housewives Tarot. I think that would be a fun little exercise, and visually appealing too. So anyway, let me know if you own this. Let me know if you enjoyed this deck, if this is something on your wish list, if this is something that you would never purchase. I am excited to hear all sides of this, because I, quite frankly, enjoy the weird and the quirky and, you know, the not mundane stuff. So this is right up my alley. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. And thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. This has been amazing, this journey that we are on with this channel, building a little community. I love it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.